Good day. Today, our group, we will be talking about the a major component known as a fuselage. I'm Ralph Roland Relau de los Reyes, and join with me today is Alvishon Lanzo Campo, Jester Ian Madriaga, Faisal Najim, Paulo Cirillos, Elijah Brianas, and yeah, from 9B, G1. To give you a basic idea, fuselage is the main body of the aircraft that holds the other components together. And today we will be taking the fuselage of a Cessna 152 as an example based on this engineering drawing. Take it away, Juster Ian. It's your turn.
So would they, um, what is fuselage? The fuselage is a long hollow tube which all the pieces of airplane are together. And also fuselage is the hollow to reduce the weight. And and now what is the types of fuselage? The types of fuselage is the cruise or framework and monocoque construction and semi-monocoque construction. Next reporter is
So good day everyone. We have three types of fuselage. First type is truss type fuselage. It is constructed of steel or aluminum tubing. Strength and rigidity is achieved by welding the tubing together. While the second one is monocoque, a shell-like fuselage design where the majority of applied stresses are supported by the outer stress skin. So lastly is the semi-monocoque, a type of fuselage that features a cross-section frame that's joined together with strings.
Hidden lines. Lines that are not visible in current view represents by dashes. Next one, we have the center line. Parts with holes. Symmetrical features can be shown by using center lines. Next one, the extension lines. Dimension and extension tins are thin lines used to indicate the size of features on a drawing. Break line. Break lines show where an object is broken to save drawing space or reveal interior features. Next one, I'm gonna talk about info blocks. These are little boxes represent at the bottom corner of the engineering drawing. That blocks includes part name, number, authors, coating, quantity, scale, and other information of the drawing. Next reporter, please.
Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the six types of engineer drawing and what type that we use in this drawing. There are six types: the section view, cutout view, detailed view, auxiliary view, and autographic view. And the one that we use is isometric view. It's a method for showing three-dimensional object in two-dimensional object in two-dimensional in engineer drawings. The object appears as if it's being viewed from the above from or the corner. The lines that are vertical and parallel is the true length. The scale that we use is reducing 1 to 55. This means that you can use a ruler and scale the drawing, measure the length. Dimensions is the text of the dimension can be placed inside or outside the drawing at an angle if there is no space or the space is limited. Yes, that's all.
Good day, everyone. I'm Paulo Cirillos, and I'm going to talk about a little background about the Cessna 152 aircraft. So, the Cessna 152 is a two-seat fixed tricycle gear general aviation airplane used primarily for flight training and personal use. The 152 is an all-metal two-place high-wing single-engine airplane equipped with tricycle landing gears and designed for general utility purposes. So the 152 was first delivered in 1977 as a 1978 model and quickly found its way into training and rental fleets around the world. But its production run ended a short 8 years later, when the bottom fell out of Cessna piston aircraft market in 1985, and all production ceased and transitioned in making Cessna 162. So these are some general characteristics of Cessna 152. It composes of one crew only. The capacity of it is one passenger plus two children not exceeding 120 pounds or 54 kilogram on optional baggages compartment bench seat. So the length of common Cessna 152 is 24 feet and 1 inches or 7.34 meter. The wingspan of it is 33 feet 4 inches or 10.16 meters, and the height of the Cessna 152 is 8 feet 6 inches or 2.59 meters, and the wing area is exactly 1 square feet or 15 meters squared. And the empty weight of the aircraft when there is no passenger or any baggages or anything is exactly 1,081 pounds or 490 kilograms. And its gross weight where there are already passengers and some baggages is 1,670 pounds or 757 kilogram. So the power plant it used is one Lycoming 0235 L2C flat 4 engine. It has 110 horsepower with 82 kilowatts. So the propeller it uses is there are two types. It can be a two-bladed fixed pitch 69-inch Macaulay propeller system or a 72-inch Senich propeller system. So let's proceed to the performance. So the maximum speed it can attain is 126 miles per hour or 203 kilometers an hour. And the cruise speed is 123 miles per hour or 198 kilometers an hour. The stall speed is 49 miles per hour or 79 kilometer an hour or it's take note that in the stall speed it should be power off and flaps down. And the range of it is 477 miles or in kilometers 768 kilometers, and the ferry range is 795 miles with long range tanks. The service ceiling is this is the altitude it can reach. The maximum altitude it is 14,700 feet or 4,500 meters, and the rate of climb is 715 feet a minute or 3.63 meter per second. The rate of climb is when the Cessna 152 aircraft increase its altitude. So next reporter, please.
And here I'm going to talk about the main metal that has been used in construction of the airframe of the Cessna 152. The metal that has been used is aluminum foil. It's good. It has a good weight to strength ratio. It has a resistant to UV damage and also costs less that make it perfect material in aircraft construction. The fuselage is semi-monocoque, has two seats. The Cessna 152 is storing aircraft. It has a vertical blockheads joined by the longers running to the length of the fuselage.